how to enable or disable live transcribe shortcuts on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top and then tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down and in here tap on accessibility, then tap on hearing enhancements, and then tap on live transcribe. After that, tap on live transcribe shortcut. Tap on the toggle button to switch it on. From here, you can choose which shortcut to use. There are 3 shortcuts that you can turn on. Tap accessibility button, press side and volume up buttons, or press and hold volume up and down buttons for 3 seconds. So select one of the options. So here, tap accessibility button. You can also activate other options as well. So I'm going to turn on all of them and then tap on OK. So here, if you tap on the accessibility button at the bottom corner, that will bring up a menu. From here, you can turn on live transcribe. So that is how you can quickly access live transcribe from the accessibility button. Otherwise, you can use the shortcut over here. So press on the side button or the volume up button, press and let go, then tap on live transcribe. And that's it. So that is how you can turn on or turn off shortcuts for live transcribe on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.